Alright, so we made it. Okay, so to our left, we have the Jurassic World ride where it comes out, and we have the Raptor encounter. There's Raptor encounter. There's your show times.
Essentially create a distraction.
There's one right now.
The attention of their prey, which allows the other members of the pack to attack without speaking to each other or being. Text after this one. Let's give her a moment. It's okay, sir. I am seeing some escalating behavior. Let's give her a second. Everyone, remain calm. Text, get back up on standby. Blue, eyes on me. Back. Okay.
You are cleared for the visitor center. Have a nice ride.
Apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
Very cool. That's pretty cool. Break free. Cracking the glass. And we get wet.
So it's one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Home to some of Jurassic World.
Look at this guy.
We have a containment option. Show multiple containment failures. Multiple systems failures.
Hold all boats in safe zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire Dew. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please,
A security team is deployed. They will get you to safety.
Owen Grady, the Indominus Rex is escaping. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Asset control units are on their way. Listen to me. Do
That's it.
Okay, I'm never going under light ever again. I do not like it light. Let me get the coconut. I hate it. I don't know what's going on under that.
Welcome back. As your boat enters the station, please raise your arms and your left arm will raise automatically. Exit to your right and enjoy the